Hey guys, wanted to throw this video up right quick. Just got out of court. Lawyer had a motion to dismiss. Got continued to the 11/25. Wanted to let you guys know. Appreciate all y'all support. All the love that you guys showed me. I really do appreciate it, guys. Y'all just don't know how much that means to me to have you guys behind me when I go out and do these audits and such. I'm gonna be getting back out there in the next couple of days, so y'all be on the lookout for some live streams. Hope y'all have a great day today, and I'll see you soon. And always remember, guys, to keep them cameras rolling, baby.